Hey guys, I'm Katie and welcome back to Katie's Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do at-home press-on nails like a professional. So you'll need two products in particular, and they are really inexpensive products, and anyone can do this, and I highly recommend doing this versus your standard press-on nail because you're going to get longer wear and they're going to be a lot stronger for you. So this is the nails that I'm going to be showing you how to do today. If you want to know how I achieve these nails, please keep watching. Alright, so all the nail supplies I got are linked below. They're from Sally's Beauty Supply and they are a lot cheaper than your leading competitors, which can be $100+. I start by trimming my natural nails, cleansing them thoroughly with rubbing alcohol and removing my cuticle. The most overlooked step when doing nails is the prep. I make sure to use a sanding bit to remove any shine from my nails. Then I fit my nails to go, full coverage nails ahead of time. It's important to also remove the shine from the inside of your false nail. I cleanse my nails again and use a primer to remove any residue or excess oils. Then I prep a cheap makeup brush with alcohol. You'll see why in a minute. Using my Orly Gel Builder, I paint the nail generously and press the nail on firmly. Before curing, I use my brush soaked in alcohol to remove any excess product. I then place my nail under the LED light for 30 seconds to 1 minute. It's a bit tricky to show you this process as I like to tip my lamp upside down for easy application on myself. Once all the nails are applied, I trim and file them down to the desired length and shape. This part is optional, but then I usually go around the cuticle very quickly to make sure there is no spillage or rough edges. This is what they look like unpolished, and then you can decorate your nails however you like. And that's it. All in all, I think this look took me 30 minutes and the nails lasted for about 2 weeks. If you liked this video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Katie's Creations, and I'll see you next time.